Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Fehan Tech. In this video, I can tell you AC repair Coral Springs FL. Air conditioning, proper AC installation and maintenance saves you money and improves the comfort level in your home. There are many points are followed. Consistent temperatures through uh, about the home. We find the rooms that are too hot or too cold. Second point, significantly reduced energy cost. Our client can see energy saving of 30 to 50% each month. Quiet operation of equipment so you can enjoy your home without any distraction. Comfortable indoor relative humidity levels to reduce the need to constantly to reduce the need to constantly lower the temperature. If you have interesting in this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.